How to fix Netflix household problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, I am in the Netflix help center, and if the problem is this device is not part of your Netflix household, here are the following options or following process you can adapt in order to solve the problem. The first one is to verify that your TV is a part of your Netflix household. When prompted on your TV, select Confirm Device and then select Send Email or Send Text. Follow the instruction in the email or text sent. Once verified, select Continue to Netflix from your TV. Or if you want to set or update your Netflix household, you have to from the Netflix home screen on your TV, press left on your remote to open the menu. Then select Get Help, then Manage Netflix Household, then select Update Netflix Household. Then it will send an email or a text in your phone, and simply tap on that link and tap on Yes, this was me, then confirm update to continue. So yeah, basically these are the steps you need to follow and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.